Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubany. Today I'll be making puff puff, aka puff puff. Let's go to Nigeria. This will be a quick one. The recipe is easy to follow. First, we're going to activate some yeast. Add 1 cup of lukewarm water to a bowl. Make sure your water is lukewarm or at room temperature. The last thing you want to do is use hot water. Doing that will kill the yeast and stop it from activating. Now add 1 teaspoon of yeast to the water. I'm using active dry yeast, but you can also use instant yeast. Next, add a tablespoon of sugar, give it a good mix and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to mix our dry ingredients. Add 4 cups of all-purpose flour to a large bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Finally, add a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and give it a good mix to incorporate all of the dry ingredients. So it's been 10 minutes and our yeast has been activated. You know it's been activated when it bubbles and foams up, just like you see on the screen. Add the activated yeast to the dry ingredients and begin mixing with a spatula. Add a touch of water and keep mixing the dough. You want the dough to be very elastic and not runny at all. If you mistakenly add too much water, just add some flour to compensate. Keep mixing until you get an elastic dough. You can also adjust the amount of dry ingredients to your taste. This is the consistency you're aiming to achieve. Of course, you could go a little thicker, but you need to be careful. Cover your dough and store it in a warm, dry place for 45 minutes to an hour. So it's been an hour and as you can see, our dough has doubled in size. Give it a good mix to deflate it and reduce excess bubbles or trapped air. Now it's time to make some puff puff. Make sure your oil is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. I'm using ice cream scoops to scoop out my dough. This dough is very sticky, so you need to dip it in oil occasionally, otherwise you'll have a hard time dropping it in the oil. After a couple seconds to a minute, you'll notice the dough start to turn golden brown. Some of the dough will flip themselves, but you may have to flip the lazy ones yourself. Depending on how brown you like it, your puff puff should be ready in 2 to 3 minutes. Optionally, you can dust some powdered sugar and cinnamon over them. It's up to you and how you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please hit the like button and leave a comment. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. That's it for today, and I'll see you all next time.